Hi, everyone. My name is Mavina, and today I'm excited to present KanoRoute AI, built for the agents for business track. In regional logistics across northern Nigeria, like the massive open-air wholesale grids of Kano Municipal, distribution isn't just a math problem. It's a daily battle against infrastructure failure, volatile market demands, and unorganized text messages on WhatsApp. Standard ERP software is too rigid to handle these messy conversational updates. Or simply turning to standard AI models introduces severe vibe coding liabilities, like a model hallucinating data, double allocating thousands of inventory crates, or exposing corporate records via prompt injections. Alhaji Masu and Sons Distribution cannot afford to risk their thin margins on an unshielded AI. That is where KanoRoute AI comes in. KanoRoute AI acts as a defensive zero-trust middleware layer that safely turns chaotic field tests into concrete logistic realities. Instead of using a single prompt monolith, we engineered a segmented framework based on three core pillars. First, progressive disclosure check via the ADK layer. The system scans the user's intent and loads only the specific capability model needed, such as route optimization or inventory ledger rules. This drops token costs and completely stops cross-skill tool contamination. Second, we implement the Model Context Protocol, or MCP Server. The agent never writes raw database connectors. It discovers pre-validated database bindings natively. Third, zero Ambient Authority and Sandboxing. The agent runs on short-lived transaction scope tokens. All machine-generated queries execute inside an isolated ephemeral sandbox environment. If an anomaly occurs, a circuit breaker trips instantly, protecting production tables from corruption. Let's look at the engine in action. Our code base is powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash using the official Google Gen AI SDK. It is built to seamlessly manage cloud asset security without leaking hard-coded tokens. One of the biggest challenges in real-world business is unspecified inputs. You can see how our agent handles it. If a supervisor imputes a vague test into our dashboard widgets, let's say, for example, optimize weekly biscuit distribution itinerary for reps A through E inside Kano Municipal grid. Look at how the engine responds. Instead of hallucinating coordinates or crashing, the context as a parameter guardrail catches the missing parameters. It returns a clean defensive JC response, stating that information is pending, safely refusing to execute until specific market points are given. Now, see what happens when we fulfill the context with concrete market coordinates and load parameters. The agent securely executes the loop, delivering a perfectly optimized dispatch manifest. It maps exact sequences for markets like Kofamarta and Sabongeri while completely adhering to our strict vehicle capacity bounds. But we didn't just stop there. To give businesses true analytical oversight, we integrated an unsupervised machine learning pipeline using K-means clustering. Every time field workers send adjustments or corrections through tests, our background pipeline embeds them and clusters them mathematically into distinct categories, like traffic bottlenecks versus inventory variances. This gives management a continuous diagnostic look at exactly where their supply chain is experiencing friction. To wrap up, KanoRoute AI proves immediate business value. It maximizes the route efficiency index, condensing complex fleet travel plans down to a clean 50.0 kilometer cumulative path to save instant fuel costs. It surfaces real-time capacity utilization insights, letting managers know that Rep D is at 60% load while Rep E is underutilized at 18%. Most importantly, this project proves that enterprise routing doesn't have to choose between the fluid reasoning of large language models and the rigid security of enterprise infrastructure. By wrapping Google's Gemini models in a strict sandbox spec-driven architecture, we've built a production-ready system that keeps regional distribution safe, organized, and optimized. Thank you so much.